Okay, since I'm down by the water, we had a typhoon yesterday. I'm trying to do some film down here, and there's all this Pontes, which is like Piers, I guess, Pier 30, Pont 30. Yeah, it must be. So we're just gonna follow these piers, and we'll just kind of see if we see anything interesting. But yeah, that's Pier 30 right there. So we'll just follow it down, and there's, you can see some big ships out there. You can see some other ships over there as well. So yeah, that one has a Chinese flag over there. Okay, let's go check it all out. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movidinha, chiquinha. Okay.
Say my eyes are crazy, well, sometimes they are, and so are you. And if you wonder what I would do anything if I could. You know I would.
Okay, so that's one of our piers, and we're just kind of walking. This side is a little bit more industrial. These ones are car mechanic shops. Whoa, jeez. So you can see our ships over there. You can see our nice cars too. It's a nice car. Yeah, these are the storm guards that they had up, so they're already taking them down and removing getting the water, whatever water seeped through, getting it out. So overall, I would say it's not too bad. It's the typhoon was really strong for a couple hours, but as far as damage that it did, it seems pretty minimal. Yeah, actually, yeah, they're cleaning this out. Looks like they had two of these here, but it still got wet in there. Yeah, this one got wet too. So it looks like they did get some storm surge in some of them. I'm seeing a lot of the stuff that the stuff that blocks the waters. Okay. So these are more of our piers, and it looks like they're doing something here. Let's just get out of the street a little bit, get into the street, get away from this thing, then we can see what they're doing. Maybe some damage, I guess. Looks like this whole area is blocked, so we're going to try to go around a little bit. So yeah, they got stuff in place here. So okay, I guess we'll just end this one. And my general assessment of this area, it seems, well, you got to see some of the piers, slightly. Alright, well, we're gonna try to go to a whole other area then.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha,
Go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button.